ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. Friends, there has always been confusion or different opinions about the result of retrograde planets. So today I am starting a new series to clear the air about the results of retrograde planets in different houses. A retrograde planet or Vakri Grah is of great significance in natives' Kundli, as astrology believes that the planet gains its Cheshta bal or strength during its retrograde motion. It means that when a planet turns retrograde, it makes the native work hard, put in even more efforts in terms of houses and factors it signifies. This is done so as to make the person ponder deeply about that thing, person, relation, etc. Retrograde planets, which are often known as Vakri Grah, generally bring some amount of unfulfilled desires from the past lives. If the Atmakarka planet is a Vakri Grah in a horoscope, then we have to understand that the unfulfilled desire is very intense from the several past lives. A retrograde planet should be examined very carefully in the Kundli or in the horoscope. They often give unexpected results, both good and bad. Usually the auspicious planets produce positive results while moving in retrograde motion, and negative planets provide more malicious results. The sun and the moon are always in direct motion. The Rahu and the Ketus are always retrograde. However, the five planets, namely Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn, have both direct and seemingly retrograde motion. In a birth chart or in a horoscope, retrograde planets are mentioned by RX or simply by R sign. So let us start our video with the results retrograde planets in different houses or the results of retrograde planets in different houses. Also friends, if you like my video, then at the end of it, please do comment on it, like it, share it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. So friends, let us start our video. The next in the series, retrograde Jupiter in different houses or the results of retrograde Jupiter in different houses. As you can see the Lagna chart or main birth chart here, the first house always remain where ascendant is written. The number written here can change because these are Rashis or sign, but the first house always remain where ascendant is written. Here 6 number stands for Virgo, 7 number stands for Libra, 8 number for Scorpio sign or Rashi, 9 number for Sagittarius, then Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries and so on, but the first house always remain where ascendant is written. Here first house is this one, second house, third house, fourth house, fifth house, sixth house, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. Now the results of retrograde Jupiter in different houses. If retrograde Jupiter is placed in the first house of a horoscope, then it blesses the person with intelligence, intellect and good qualities. It makes you more attractive, improves health and also enhances your presence in public and socially. Now if retrograde Jupiter is placed in the second house, first house, second house of a horoscope, then native is likely to be trapped in unusual expenses. There will be financial imbalances and there are high chances of getting inheritance, but native does not have any idea on how to use it. If retrograde Jupiter is placed in the third house, first, second, third house of a Lagna chart or birth chart, then your efforts will outshine and provide you with recognition. Your success might reach your head and you may become over ambitious and proud. So you should make sure it does not happen. Now, if the retrograde Jupiter is placed in the 4th house of a birth chart 1, 2, 3, 4, retrograde Jupiter in 4th house makes the person inflate in pride and become egoistic. Do not share good relationship with family. These people do not share good relationship within the family and with the people, both personal and professional front. Now, if the retrograde Jupiter is placed in the 5th house of a horoscope 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it makes the person heartless and emotionless, especially towards children. Also, relationship with multiple women are formed when Jupiter is placed in the 5th house, or rather retrograde Jupiter is placed in the 5th house of a horoscope. Also, there could be problems in childbirth. Now, if the retrograde Jupiter is placed in the 6th house of a birth chart 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then it makes the person strong both mentally and physically. Also, person fights off enemies. If the native is in job, then the native earns well. If the retrograde Jupiter is placed in the 7th house of a horoscope 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then native has prosperous and happy life after marriage. He or she would excel on all fronts, whether it is financial, looks, compatibility or nature. If Jupiter is placed in the 8th house of a horoscope, or rather retrograde Jupiter placed in the 8th house of a horoscope, it pushes the person to open their mind and expand their horizon of thought. Also, highly inclination toward spirituality is also there with retrograde Jupiter in 8th house. If retrograde Jupiter is placed in 9th house of a horoscope, then it makes the person more logical, intellectual and practical. He or she becomes more efficient in handling rebuttals in life. Also, knowledge can be enhanced. If retrograde Jupiter is placed in the 10th house 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th house of a birth chart, then it makes you face problems in your career place. There could be delays or difficulties in promotion or starting a new venture. Also, the results are very smaller than you were hoping or expecting. Benefic results are delayed or little sluggish. If retrograde Jupiter is placed in the 11th house of a horoscope, then it can prove to be very beneficial. You are likely to attain personal and parental wealth. Luckily, you would not face poverty at any time in your life. If retrograde Jupiter is placed in the 12th house of a chart or birth chart, it makes you fearless. You will be lucky to defeat your enemies. Also, you will take interest in religious activities. So friends, we have completed the results of retrograde Jupiter placed in different houses of a chart. Hope friends you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, like it, share it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351, or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911 351 351, 08130 201 201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।